this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wi-Fi on Brother printer HLL2390DW. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this specific model of Brother printer or any other similar one, you can follow the instructions in this video to set up a Wi-Fi network. So for this particular model, you need to use the control panel on the printer itself. You will notice that in these pictures that I'm using as an example, it's showing the process being done on a DCP model, but don't worry, it is going to be exactly the same for the HL line as well. So to start, press the menu button. This will give you a bunch of settings, and by default, the first category will be selected. What you have to do is go down to the fourth category labeled Network. So use the up and down arrow keys that you see at the right side of the printer to navigate between the options, up and down, and once you have the option that you want to go into highlighted, in this example network, just press OK. Once you select network, go into WLAN. In this case, it should be the first option as you see here, so you just press OK immediately without going up or down. Within WLAN, go to the third category, so press down twice to go into Setup Wizard. OK once more, and now you will select your network. So as soon as you go into Setup Wizard, you will begin the process. First, choose your network by name. Navigate up and down, and once you have it selected, press OK to choose this specific network. Now you have to input the password. The way that this works is that the first input field will be selected, and you can press up or down to navigate through all of the characters. So you will have the numbers, so it will start at 0, it's going to go to 1, 2, 3, and so on. After this, you will see lowercase letters, so A, B, C, D, so on. You will see uppercase letters, and after this, special characters. So depending on the complexity of your password, this will take a long time. But in short, you highlight one square, you navigate through all the letters and numbers, and once you have the specific one that you want, you press OK. So let's say, for example, your password is ACBD. After you press OK upon selecting lowercase a, you go to the next one. So you go from A to B to C by pressing up and down. Once it is selected, you press OK. The next field is going to appear, and then you just type out the rest of the password. Once the entire password is typed out, instead of pressing up and down on a new field, you just press OK instead, and this password will be input. If the password is OK, you will see this message, connected, a status page will be printed, and you are good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.